Good morning. Morning. You excited?
Extra.
So we're here at the 5K. We're getting Carol to the corral. And we're so excited. It's a little early. Ugh. I like your sign.
Yeah,
My kids made me do this race.
my brother made me watch it.
That's cute.
So guys, head on out there, have fun, and show you have what it takes to be a first order stormtrooper, and keep an eye out for the resistance, and also
Hey, so I don't know if you can hear me because I don't have my mic on right now, but you have some characters here. I don't know if you can see them back there, but we have Boba Fett, Jabba, I think Darth Vader, and the lines are crazy to see. I might try to get on one.
Are you the last one that landed? Okay, that's good. The try this girl last time.
That's so cool. So while I'm waiting for Carolina to start, I am going to try and get a picture with Jabba, because you can get pictures with like Darth Vader and Boba Fett and whatnot any other time, but Jabba I've never seen, so.
If you are not racing, there are spectator stands available for you. Thank you very much. Enjoy your race.
Perfect. Gotcha.
Alrighty, so I took my picture with Jabba, and it was super cool. If you are not a racer, they just take pictures with your phone. But if you are a racer, they give you your pictures through your PhotoPass with your bib number. Get here early if you want to take pictures with all of the characters, because you have to be in your corrals by a certain time. So if you're waiting online, and the lines are kind of long, not super long. I think I got to see Jabba in like 20 minutes, but it wasn't too bad. So now I'm going to the starting line to see her cross the starting line, so it's gonna be so exciting.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave?
This is level 1. During this level 1 challenge, you will be observed and evaluated. We are looking for recruits who have what it takes to join our ranks and defeat the resistance.
Have a great race, everybody! Who's doing the 10K tomorrow? Who's doing the half marathon on Sunday? You're animals!
You're sure that level is secure enough for the Superman? Can you do a spin for us? Look at that, guys! How awesome! That is seamless. You look amazing. What's your real name? Where are you from? Let's hear it for Kate from New York, one of the best dressed Star Wars.
I don't know if you can see, but she has the cutest outfit.
Right here, Paolo Banana. Yeah, because we need potassium in the galaxy far, far away too. Follow the banana, everybody.
Let's see so many friends. That's why I love my job. Go! Nicely done!
I love it. There's Syndrome.
You're really nervous? You guys should be nervous?
No.
Here today.
Well, 1 year ago today I am.
And you know we said you're wrong. You're not wrong. Run. Totally the wrong place. Alright, well have a good job with that. I don't know where you're going to find me wrong this time today, but yes, there you go. He's done. Oh, Rudy is trying to do that thing.
Rudy and Simon. Hey, are there any couples running together? Any couples running together? So will you finish together? Oh, it's there. Oh, it's a mess.
So excited. Anyone doing their first 5K?
Super awesome runners. They're awesome. So I'm going directly to the finish line because I might not make it to see her at the second mile and then also the finish line. So finish line is more important. So I'm headed there now. Can't wait to see her. She's doing so good. So it looks like some of the characters are still out. So after the waves are done, if you want to take more pictures, or if you get done really early, you could come back over here and take more pictures. When we got here, it was dark, and now you could see the sun is up. It's a beautiful photo of the Epcot ball. Headed to the finish line.
Finishing together right here. I love that. Princess Leia. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much for coming out. You guys are fabulous. Oh my goodness. You see that color when she started?
So after the race, you can take pictures with the characters. So it's not just before the race, it's also after. So that's cool. Alright, so she finished. Yay! Awesome. That was super fun. It's now light out. We're going back to the resort to take a nap. Yeah, much needed nap. Because now it's like 7:30-ish. So, we have the whole day. We have Caring for Giants later. And we're doing the Animal Kingdom day. So yeah. Have a good one. Yeah. He's getting all fancy for you.
Well, it's gotta look right. Ta-da! Ready? Cheese.
So we're headed over to Disney Springs to go to Sanuk to get some of those squishy flip-flops.
Discounts!
Yes! Very good.
Boat later on Port Orleans. If you want to go to one of the other docks around the lake without boating, look for the red flag water taxi. Boats with the red flag do not leave the lake and just go around and around counterclockwise all day.
Look at how cute. And then they got a Minnie. That's so cute. Look at. It's a dune buggy. We've got our Star Wars themed stuff. This is cute. Those are cool. They're cute. This is cute. The bar scene. Actually, this is a full shirt of the bar scene. And a bag. And a cup. Oh, look, you get an airport. You'll feel right at home.
Yeah, this is my lunch.
Oh, did you see this pull up? Yep, this one's mine. What's this?
So I'm looking at.
Oh, it's a wallet? Oh, okay, the wallet's in there.
It is a wallet.
Oh, card holder. That's a big wallet. That is huge. The thing with wallets is I can only have the little ones because I don't carry cash. So it's like there's no point in getting the big ones.
This is cute.
On the road. That is cute. It's nice material. This is interesting. A collapsible cup. I want to see one like out. A neck pillow. I've been dying to see this area. Or like this. That's cute. That is cute. Belle. Look at this purse. That's cool.
It's chip, right? No, it's a clock.
Yes, this is a chip. It's got a chip.
Oh. Where does it have a chip?
There.
Oh.
$58 for the Haunted Mansion section. Got a brooch. Got a dress. How much is the dress?
They're not stretchy, so
Yeah. Let's see.
118.
Holy Jesus. Okay, so the dress is $118. It's cute, but I don't know if I'd pay $118. This is what I want. Oh my gosh. I want that so bad. So it's $78. This will be on my list of things to get one day. This one's $98, so this isn't too bad. That's pretty cute. You can get an Apple bag. This isn't bad. These are so cute. I don't know how I would wear that. See, that's cute with the little earrings and the necklace. Oh, and the thing is the rabbit.
Yes.
$65 for the rabbit. Look at how cute that is. I see. I think I would have to try it with my hair down because with my hair up, I think it looks kind of funny.
I like that one.
That is cool. Oh wait, does it? Oh, it has that huge feather with it. Oh, that is so cool. That is cool. It makes you wonder, where can I wear this?
I would find a place to wear it.
Right? So I think this one's for Avatar. That's kind of cool. So inside Disney Springs, there's the PhotoPass studio where you and your family could actually get your portraits taken with like different backgrounds and stuff, and it's included in your photo or your memory maker. And if you have unlimited PhotoPass downloads, it's also included in that. So here's where you could get your portraits taken. And then they just change the backgrounds and stuff. Also inside the PhotoPass place, they have a charger station. They can get portable chargers. If you want a chocolate fix, you can go to Ghirardelli and get your chocolate. It's free. Free piece of little bit of chocolate. Hi. Thank you. Awesome. It smells so good in here. You can get hot chocolate and cappuccinos.
We got a chocolate thing here before.
Chocolate chip cookie. You got a chocolate here before?
This is the ultimate best. Oh my
Really
god,
good?
Becky.
So we thought there were strawberries in this box, but there's not. So you just go, you get the box, and they dip the strawberries for you. We thought they had them in there already. We're like, oh no.